Before we talk about whatever this is, I have a bird bath that I have to remake because I accidentally bumped into it, dropped it, cracked it, and now it doesn't hold water very well. So let's make a new bird bath, and I can show you what the heck this is. So it's this 5-inch plastic handle with a hook attached to it with this nylon strap. What the heck is this thing? So this year at DecoCrete, I made a new friend. His name is Chad, and he actually developed this cool ergonomic handle called the Pour Pal. I'll show you. So you attach this handle to the bottom of the bucket, put this hook on the top, and tighten this strap. Now I have a great ergonomic way of pouring this bucket. But it's actually like a 4-in-1 tool because it does that. You can actually use this to open sealed buckets much easier, you know, instead of doing it with your fingertips. But also, if this is unmixed paint, I can actually take it like this, shake it around much easier this way. Oh, and it also stores itself nice and tight for compact storage. And the last thing this does, this actually provides a foot holder for when I'm mixing, say, concrete in this bucket. No more doing the Captain Morgan. Now, if you are interested in the Pour Pal, follow the link below, and Chad is giving you guys 40% off if you use code MB40. Now, although this is not a sponsored video, I will be getting a small kickback if you use my code, but at the same time, you'll be helping out the channel. So go to pourpal.com, tell them Michael Build sent you, and this fountain has absolutely nothing to do with anything.